guys, welcome back to my channel for another video and happy Monday. We are outside Walmart today to do some rebate shopping. So on Ibotta, I already had done my shopping and I came back to the car to see if I got a midweek to submit for. I didn't get a midweek bonus, but that's kind of typical to not get weekly bonuses towards the end of a bigger bonus. I know a lot of us are trying to finish that Bloomin' bonus that expires at the end of the week. So normally they don't put out a midweek or weekend warrior because they're wanting you to finish that big bonus. So we are working with no midweek today, but we are doing some Ibotta rebates, Shopkick, Swagbucks, Checkout 51, haven't done that in a while, and a new app called Zarty that I heard about from my friend Erica over at Coupon Mode. Oh my gosh, that app is magical. You get cash back on great value brand items, which we buy anyways. We typically always go for great value brand items. So today is my first day submitting and playing around with it. Once I get the hang of it and, get myself used to it, then I will be happy to share the full, tutorial. Right now, it's just trial and error for me. We're seeing how it works, but it looks pretty good. So we're doing a lot of Zarty rebates today. Oh my gosh. So if you are new to any of the rebate apps I did just mention or mention throughout the video, they are linked down in my description box, my referral links. You guys will get a little kickback for using those links. I do also have a little bit of a playlist of rebate app tutorials that I've been working on. We have FLUZ, Shopkick, and Swagbucks so far. So if you're interested in that, they're also in the description box. So if you just found my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you are here to coupon me today at Walmart. We're gonna have a great haul together. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Let's go ahead and see what we can grab today. Alright, so my first deal is going to be on these great value tater tots, the 2-pound bag. So they're priced at $1.82 in my store. Zarty is offering 900 points back, which is the equivalent of 90 cents, making this just 92 cents, and honestly something that we buy every single week. I'll also grab the great value crinkle cut fries, also the 2-pound bag at $1.76. Zarty's offering 90 cents back for this as well, making it just 86 cents. And reminder, you get the full amount of points after you purchase the product and then do the product review several days later when they offer it. This is definitely something we go through quite often as we are big sweet tea drinkers. So this great value sugar, it is $2.12. Zarty is offering 95 cents back, making it $1.17. You may not think it's that great of a deal, but when it's something that you're buying constantly, it's a good deal for me. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up some Frosted Flakes today at $2.98. I'll submit to Zarty for $1.10 back and Ibotta for 50 cents back, making it just $1.38 and one of my favorite cereals. So I'm shocked my store has these in stock. The Ready sports drinks, they are $1.68. My Ibotta is offering $1.69 back, making it completely free. I will continue to do this rebate every time it's offering 75 cents back because that's a pretty good deal on something my husband buys. The Rock Stars are $1.50. We'll submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back, making it just 75 cents. Another Ibotta freebie is on this Oikos yogurt. So they are $1.06 at my store, and Ibotta is offering $1.25 back, which actually makes this a 19-cent moneymaker. Back to Zarty on some great value crescent rolls. So they are 93 cents at my store. Zarty is offering $1.55 back, which makes this a 62-cent moneymaker. We don't often get crescent rolls in our house. However, when we have them, we tear them up. We rarely get rebates on milk, so I am definitely taking this and running with it. On the great value 2%, you want to make sure you grab the 2% because that is what the rebate is for. I'm getting the half gallon at $2.31. Submit to Zarty for $1 back, making it $1.31. I need milk to go with that cereal. Super excited for the Fabuloso deal because I feel like we never coupon that enough, and that is my preferred cleaner. So these 33.8 ounce bottles, they do qualify for the rebates. I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of them at $2.47 each. I'll pay $4.94. Submit to Swagbucks for $2 back when I purchase 2, and to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each, making the final cost $1.94 or 97 cents each. So we're going to go ahead and grab one of these Snickers at 98 cents. Zarty is offering back $1.25, so this makes it completely free and a 27-cent moneymaker. I think my last Zarty deal for the day is going to be on the Sour Patch Kids box right here. It's $1.24 at my store. Zarty's offering $1.30 back, making it a 6-cent moneymaker. My husband has come to enjoy the Gatorade Zero Protein, so I'm going to grab this 4-pack at $5.98. By the way, I find it in the section near the pharmacy, like the protein bars, protein shakes, all that good stuff. So $5.98, we're getting $2.99 back from Ibotta, making it just $2.99. I'm going to grab two of these Clorox to-go packs. They are the 9-count in the travel size section. They are 97 cents each, so I'll grab two and pay $1.94 out of pocket. Submit to checkout 51 for $1.13 back on each. There is no size restriction, which would make both of them a 32-cent moneymaker, and my checkout 51 rebate went through just fine with no issues. So I couldn't find this product online, however, I'm so shocked to find it in store. The Nice and Clean 3-pack wipes, there are 126 wipes altogether at $6.48. We will submit to Shopkick between the scan and purchase kicks 1,120 kicks, which is the equivalent of $4.48. And then Ibotta is offering 50% back, so $3.25, which makes it a $1.25 moneymaker. We don't use flushable wipes because we have a septic tank. However, good donation item and eats up some of the cost of the things I really want today. Last deal we're going to do is a little Shopkick bundle on some Tresemme, Dove, and Suave. So I'm going to grab one of these travel size Tresemmes at $1.56. We'll go ahead and gather all the products first and then go over the breakdowns. I'll also grab a Dove shampoo or conditioner at $3.98. And lastly, to finish off the bundle, a Suave pink item. I've never couponed this or used it. It is $4.98. So these three products total us to $10.52. I do have a $1 printable coupon from being on the Dove email list that I'll use for the Dove shampoo. So that brings the cost to $9.52. We'll pay at the register. We'll submit to Shopkick for 2,425 kicks between the purchase and bundle, which is the equivalent of $9.70, which makes it an 18-cent moneymaker. However, you'll see at the end of the video that I ended up not using that coupon because I didn't want to deal with the hassle of the cashiers, so it ended up being an 82-cent cost for me, which is still very reasonable. So that pretty much sums up everything I am grabbing at Walmart today. Lots of food goodies that we will definitely eat. Excited for the Fabuloso. I'm just happy with it all. So we're going to go ahead, check out. I tend to use self-checkout because it's easiest for me. Use that one little coupon I have, and then we'll meet back in the car to discuss how it went and final cost. Alright, so we were out from Walmart and everything went super well at checkout. Besides, my Dove coupon did not scan. It showed it in green font, which typically means it did not go through. It doesn't say that it was invalid or didn't match a product. It just didn't go through. And I didn't want to mess with somebody coming over because it takes forever to get somebody to come over in my store. And then when they come over, they have to spend an additional 10 minutes trying to verify that you're not being sketchy. So I just ate that $1. So my cost is $1 higher than it should have been, but it is what it is. Sometimes it's not worth it. And that was the only coupon I had today. So other than that, everything went fine. When I show you guys my receipts, my receipt, I should say. I did put my son's pajamas I bought on here for him, so we'll deduct that out of the cost, obviously, because Cookie Monster pajamas, no rebate for that. But we're going to go ahead and go over the receipt and then talk about the final cost and all of the rewards back. So as far as I can tell, everything rang up correctly. We have the wipes, we have the Clorox wipes, the Tresemme shampoo, Sour Patch Kids, Snickers, Gatorade Zero, Fabulosos, Suave, Dove, the tater tots and fries, sugar, crescent rolls, Rockstar, the Ready Water, the Oikos, FF. Oh gosh, I hate when they do this because then I don't understand the abbreviations. Okay, Great Value, milk. That sleepwear was for my son. I think FF has to be, I'll just put it on the screen because I can't figure out the abbreviation. I don't know why they do that to me. Subtotal is $64.22, but subtract the $15.98. It's about $48 and some change. I did go ahead and pay that, and that was about 20 items. Well, 20 items, yes. It says 21, but, you know. Count out the sleepwear. Our total out of pocket today was $48.24. That's deducting that pajama set that I bought for my son. Would have been $47.24 had I went through using that Dove coupon, but I didn't feel like messing with my cashiers today, giving them a hard time. So from Ibotta, we got back $9.74. Again, no midweek, so that was really it. I think it was 7 rebates we did on Ibotta today. And then from Zarty, a total of $8.95. Now that's after I do my survey. So you scan the product, submit your receipt, and then they will have you do a product test a couple days after purchasing your items, and then you'll get your full amount and points back. So I think today I got 90 cents back, but once I fill out the surveys for like the Sour Patch, the Snickers, all that good stuff that I got, then I will get back the full $8.95. So we're gonna go ahead and count for that because obviously I'm gonna do it to get my money. So super fun app. I'm really liking that app. It's so, it's just, it doesn't, I don't know the right word I'm trying to come up with, but it just makes sense to use it because half the products on that app that are rebates are literally products we buy. I always buy the Great Value brand sugar. We always get Great Value brand fries and tater tots. So makes sense to use it for me. From Swagbucks, a total of $2.02. That was just for the Fabuloso and uploading any receipt. And then Shopkick, we got back a total of 3,535 kicks. That's including the 10 walk-in kicks for walking into Walmart. And then those are also the kicks for the Tresemme Suave Dove bundle and for the Nice and Clean wipes. So that is the equivalent of $14.14. So a pretty good day on Shopkick. And from Fetch Rewards, we got back 180 points, which is the equivalent of 18 cents. A couple little points for the Gatorade. And then Checkout 51, I will submit when I get home because it's on my other phone and I don't have Wi-Fi right now. But we should be getting back $1.13 for each of the Clorox wipes. So $2.26 back total. So that makes our final cost for everything today, 20 items, $10.95 or 54 cents a piece, which is super realistic for me. I know that I've kind of changed it up lately and I've been having a little bit of a higher out of pocket at Walmart, but I'm trying to get things that we will use and not things that are just money makers all the time, food that we're not going to eat that I end up giving away. It's not beneficial to me. Yeah, the money makers are nice, but I want to grab food that we'll eat. And we'll definitely tear up some tater tots, some French fries. I always use sugar to make sweet tea. I mean, this is a very realistic haul for us. This is half the stuff we get in our grocery shopping anyways. So I'm okay paying $10 when we were at about $50 for all this. So it just makes sense to me. But I mean, I did get a good amount of money makers today to help eat down that cost. So it's all up to you. If you want to go in here and have a big money maker haul, by all means go for it. I mean, it's up to you. I'm not telling you what to do. It's just my personal preference to grab stuff that we will actually eat and use. So that is my little tangent. But thank you guys so much for shopping along with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found some deals that you may be interested in at Walmart this week. And I'm going to go ahead and head out of here. Bye guys.